This is Jesus Christ. We don't know what she's suffering from, but Christ is taking them out now.
When I was young, I think I was at standard 2. I used to masturbate. Nobody taught me how to masturbate. She was pleasing herself sexually.
All the people who are sleeping with the things or animals, they have the spirits in them.
My parents took me back to school. I fell in love with another boy. My purpose is because I wanted to have sex. I slept with this one whom I fell in love at school. After a month, I missed my period. I tried to commit abortion and I was successful this time. I was able to commit the abortion this time. I was doing Form 2 when I committed abortion.
She did abortion.
She did abortion at Form 2. I slept with another man beside the one who made me feel pregnant. Got pregnant again. I committed another abortion. This is the second abortion. I committed abortion 4 times. This
is the truth.
There was a time when I got married. It was a different man. Not all these men who have been impregnating me. I stayed with that husband. He also impregnated me. I never committed abortion this time. The child is alive. The child has got 9 years.
3 months.
When the child was 3 months, I got pregnant. How many children now? I committed another abortion, the 5th abortion. Now, the 5th abortion was for the husband that I'm staying with. I felt my husband was not satisfying me sexually. Even when we've just finished having sex, after he's gone, I will do it myself because I felt I'm not satisfied.
By what?
Sometimes bengisebenzisa imikamelo yembhedze. Esinye isikhathi bengithatha ama-carrots ngitende ngawo. Noma yini nje lebeyikhona ukuthi ingene la ngembili bengifaka nje. When I was there, I felt heat in my body. There was a word that says, go and confess.
Jesus is the Lord.
Yes. Shikala Baba.